Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. This is the really quick version. If you're in Australia, how to buy Dobinson suspension from me. Step 1, watch all the videos, including this longer one here, goes for about 35 minutes. There's also a heap of other ones. There's a shorter one that goes for about 10 minutes that gives you the brief. This one is going to be the shortest one. Step 1, watch all the videos. Step 2, shoot me a text message with your name, vehicle details, and whether you want monotubes, twin tubes, or a combination, and whether you want them assembled or not. Don't worry about the springs at this stage. Step 3, I'm going to give you a price estimate. If that sounds about right and you're happy with that, say yep, happy with that, let's proceed. I'll get you an exact price, including freight to your door, because that's what you want. I'm going to let you know what that is. If you're happy, say yep, I'm happy with that, let's proceed. I'm going to send you the order to pay for it. Please pay for it, send me a screenshot. As soon as you do that and we receive those funds clear, either the same day, the next day, or the day after, sometime really soon, usually within 24 hours while it's fresh on my mind, I'm going to give you a call. We're going to discuss, you're going to paint a picture for me of the vehicle, what it looks like, what color it is, bull bars and storage systems and all that, and then we're going to discuss what springs you need and make sure we get it right the first time. There you go, that was a quick version. So you got it, we'll just quickly run through it again. Bada bing, bada bing, right? Are we ready for the bada bing? Watch all the videos. That's how you get educated about the suspension. Unfortunately, I can't stand here and talk to everybody for 20 minutes to half an hour each trying to teach them about suspension on the phone. That's what the videos are for. Please watch them if you're interested in purchasing the Dobinson suspension from me. Once you know what you want, you're going to be able to decide whether you want, you know, twin tubes, monotube remote reservoirs or not. I'm not saying what you need or not. I'm not going to make your decision for you. I tell you what I think they're good for, what the pros and cons are, what I like about them, what I don't like, maybe, whatever. I just tell you how it is. That's what we use. We like them. We think it's good value for money, Australian company, all that sort of thing. So let's run through it again. Get the information by watching the videos, decide what you need. Send me a text when you're ready to go. Include your name. It's a personalised service. You get stored in the phone. Then I can see your full name there. Like, you know, not just Jim Beam. Not just Jack Daniels. Whatever your full name is, please. Because there's a lot of Jims and Jacks, if you know what I mean. And Daves and Steves and all that sort of stuff. So, full name, vehicle details, what year and what it is. You know, I've got a 2012 150 Prado. I want to get the monotubes at the front, the twin tubes at the rear, and I want to get the front struts assembled with the top hats so that I can put them in myself. No worries, we're in business. I can come back to you with a price estimate. If you're happy with that, yeah, oh yeah, about 1,300, oh yeah, you know, that's pretty good, that sounds good, I'm happy with that, I'm happy to go ahead. Then I'll get an exact price, okay? I'll let you know what it is. Yeah, no, that's good. Oh, 1380, oh, it's a bit more than I thought. Okay, no problem, whatever. Or yeah, a bit more than I thought, but that's cool, no worries. Or 1240, oh, that's better than we thought, even better. Okay, whatever it is, there's your exact price, bang, pay for that. Once you've paid for it, you're a client. You're stored in the phone already. Bada bing, I'm gonna call you, we're gonna have a chat. Yeah, talk to Anthony. And we're gonna just discuss what springs you need to suit your loads and the conditions you use the vehicle and what heights, not just the loads to get the right ride for the weight you've got, but also depending what the conditions and what you're using the vehicle for. So there you go. I told you this was the short version. If you like that, please give us a thumbs up. It's there somewhere like that. And thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe, turn the bell on, and times to contact me, and the phone. You want the phone number? Okay, we'll get to that. The time is the important part, right? I'm trying to get stuff done here as well. So the best time to contact me is early in the week. Mondays is supposed to be parts day. Let's start the text messages rolling from 8:30 a.m. Let's try and get all the orders and information done by about lunchtime, because I need the afternoon to prepare it all. If I'll be doing it throughout the morning as well, but if there's a lot I need the afternoon to get it done, to get those out. You know, we generally send stuff every Monday. Depends. We're sort of going to the other parts kits at the moment. But as far as the suspension goes, it doesn't really matter what day. But please try and inquire in the morning. I like to keep the afternoons a bit clear and quiet so that I can actually get work done. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here. There you go. It was short, 4 minutes. Not too bad. All right. Thanks. See ya.